This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off info cards on YouTube. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into YouTube. To turn off info cards, first thing you want to do is go to YouTube and log into your account. Next thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to you where you see your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on this page that appears, the Settings page, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Playback and Performance. Then on the center pane, you'll go right down here under Playback, right here, Info Cards. It says Show in Video Info Cards. If this is checked, then info cards are enabled. It's probably enabled by default for you. But to turn it off, you would just uncheck this. That is how to turn off the info cards in YouTube using a PC. Thanks for watching.